All right, now it's time to actually mine and place blocks. So we just got some inventory. So looking at your screen, wherever you kind of touch, depending on what you're holding. So I'll walk a little closer because I can't put objects in the sky, can't put them in the, oh, that's about as far in the distance as I can put them. So if I need to get rid of it, I touch and hold and I get rid of it. But I also was touching a little longer. It's pretty sensitive, so you can alter that. But let's say I want to fill in these areas. I'm just going to touch, and now just spin around. Go a little closer. As long as I'm close enough, I could actually touch all of these areas and fill in this spot. So it's pretty easy to add those. You can even build on top, build to the side. But I can't just build in a blank space. So it has to be connected to something. If I want to mine the blocks, I can actually mine the blocks after I've built them up. So now you can see it's kind of floating there. If I want to go to different blocks, there's grass path. Let's use the wood planks. I can build wood planks, build them on top. I can only get so far, so I can't build up there. So this would be a good idea to use your jumping or basically flying up. And now I could look down and continue building just by touching and going. So now I've made this nice wall there. Let's add one more. And pretty nice, pretty easily built. And I can go down and destroy little areas there. So I mined them. Maybe I do this one too. So now I've made this arch. And so that's just simply doing that. So it's actually a two hands. So if you think about one hand is kind of controlling, or, I use my thumbs, is one is using to look, and then the other one can actually place things. So if I want to place grass blocks up here, I certainly could do that. I don't like that. Just touch and hold, and it gets rid of them. If I want to add this terracotta, definitely do that. If I want to build something really high up, maybe starting here, just fly up and just keep touching. As long as I am connected to some other block, it allows me to build. So now I could actually destroy or mine these. Fly away there. And so now those are floating, but they couldn't get up there by themselves. I couldn't just go ahead and do that in the blank space. So that's really the simple way to get different objects here. And of course, changing your inventory out and being able to place your blocks. And so it's just a matter of maneuvering yourself to get yourself in an area that you could place them. You could also take holes in the ground there, and I could use this grass path here. Notice since I have it pressed, I'm touching and holding, and then replacing it. So I touch and hold and it mines it, and then I add it. There's a little chicken that walked by. And so you get the idea that I've made this little path. I can go and view what I just did. So that is the ability to build and mine with Minecraft on a touchscreen.